So, there's food that was given to me by my advisee. It's very cute. Actually, mas maganda pa yun siya. Pero, I have it dala from Johnson to Malumon. That's why the situation is like this. It comes with a free spoon. And I totally forgot about it, June. Kasi, natapos kami ng defense around 5:30, 5:40. So, medyo matagal siya natapos. And then, pagbaba ko, binigay siya ni Kent. Tapos, Kent na Baltazar. And then, madami akong work na ginawa. Naghipos pa ko. Tapos, it's already 6. Tapos, pag 6 kasi mag-close na yung office. Yung building talaga namin. So, nilagay ko siya sa loob ng bag ko. Yung chibi bag. Yung bibigay ng SSG. Tapos, pagdating ko sa bahay, I was so tired. Kasi matagal yung bus nag-go. Kaya, I waited so long. I was so hungry. So, yun. Totally forgot about it. So, right now, we're going to have a taste test. Medyo maingay yung background. It's because nandito yung niece ko. Tsaka, to keep her entertained, I've opened the TV para ma-entertain siya doon sa gina-watch niya. So, yun na nga. Pag-uwi ko kagabi, nakatulog ako and I totally forgot about it. And then, this afternoon, while arranging my things sa kwarto, nag-clean kasi ako sa kwarto ko kasi it's dusty. Last time na nandito ako, yung January pa, so it's dusty. So yun, overshare naman si auntie. So it was given by my kids advisory. So let's read the letter. Sorry for the background. That was drawn by my niece, Pod. So nakalagay sa letter. Kapambahay pa ko. Bigay pa to ng papa ni Jevy. So anyways, nagana po tag-intermission number. Nagan ko ginayaw-yaw. Let's get to the point. So this is the gift, the food gift that was given by my research advisee. So first, read ko muna. Hi, Churdana. Thank you for your patience and hard work. With love, E. coli and briquettes. Okay, so research advisee ko kasi sila. Wala na kasi akong advisory talaga na section. And I really like it because nilagay nila sa pink na lalagyan with pink note and a pink ball pen ang ginamit. With love always. RJ and KS. Anong RJ and KS? Ano yan siya? Cookies for you. Yan. But parang ang dirty ng camera ko. Let's clean it up. So much better. Okay, let's try it out. May scotch tape pa lang. That's why hindi siya ma-open. Parang masisira. Okay, let's eat. Okay pa kaya ito? I totally forgot about it dun kagahapon. It's cute. Sige, let's try. I'm not really a fan of sweets, okay? So, I'm more of like salty person. So, this review is kanang sa salty person na perspective, okay? Nasa mushroom. So, these s'mores? Oh. It's chewy because of the mushroom. I like it. A little too sweet for my liking, pero it's fine. I love the chocolate. The chocolate is bitter. And I like the bitterness. Ooh. Look at the other side. Look at the other side. I like it. Chocolate. I love chocolate. Thank you so much. E. coli and briquettes. I love it. Thank you so much.